has more money than you, no?
She does. I mean, admittedly.
My God, you're marrying a richer girl. You're marrying her for her money. Just
Admittedly, but
kidding.
we're doing a prenup.
There's a prenup? Are you serious?
I'm not.
Are you okay with that announcing that you just did? So that's
Yeah, I mean, it's...
just to prove to her, I'm not marrying you for your
Miriam
money,
suggested
honey.
Senator Miriam suggested it in the newspaper, so she was interviewed. So what's the point of not talking about it anyway? So anyway.
Pucha, parang ka talagang tumama sa sweepstakes. Ang
Hindi
ganda
nga
lang, Honey Heart. Mas mayaman pa siya sa'yo. Ang
hindi
kapal
nga
lang mukha mo talaga going
may
for this
karugtong pa yan.
girl. Ano?
So pag hindi naman siya pwedeng tumira dun sa townhouse namin, so pag nagawa niya na yan,
ikaw pa yung
ako na yung
ilipat
binabahay niya.
Where is the wow, hindi ba nakakalalaki yun? Hindi ka ba nalalalaki doon?
Hindi,
No, what
kasi...
about your kids? They'll move in as
course.
well? Oh, okay. Wow. That's an
Hopefully,
awesome woman.
When it gets
Aida.
finished, because
Ang steady
it's
naman ni
taking
Heart. Okay lang sa kanya yon.
Which one?
Steady naman niya. Bahay niya, wow. Jeez, pogi ah.
Binahay nga eh. Ano, I often joke to her about it.
Grabe.
Oh, yeah?
Ang swerte naman nito. What did you do right, man? What did you do right?
No, but,
She is stunning. She's good. She loves dogs, which I love.
Well, that's where we...
Okay, you don't like dogs. That's a problem.
I'm learning to, but I'm not yet there.
Dogs are great.
Why medyo sweet?
Why
Except when they start to do
Funky
certain
stuff.
things.
Oh, do they hump your leg?
No, they haven't.
Okay,
haven't
they
done
like larger legs.
Minsan nakakagigil pag makulit. Oh, parang batang ayaw makinig.
Syempre.
Pag ginagawa pa rin ang ginagawa,
eh.
pinagkasabihan mo na ayaw pa rin.
Hindi nag-i-English yung dog, no?
Kaya nga, masarap lang pagtulog.
But she loves the dogs. You're gonna have to
she does.
pretend you love the dogs.
Well,
I'm sure you faked it nung start. Cute, pero
No.
God.
She knew it when we were starting.
I'm sure nagigil.
Ang laki ba naman ng German Shepherd niya? Paano ka magpapanggap doon? Magkamali kaya ako doon? And then niya lumalayo na lang ako.
Must love dogs. Wait, wala ka mga animal na gusto? Ganun? Cat. Like cats, no?
Wala, hindi din.
You
She has cats too.
She does have cats. Wow. So you will live with all those animals.
We're trying to discuss where they will stay.
No. Do you know their names? The
Of
animals'
course.
names? Okay, name the names. Come on, this is a test of love.
Her first dog, Casper, a Maltese.
Galing.
Second dog is another Maltese, si Khaleesi,
Galing.
from the series Game of Thrones.
Game of Thrones, okay.
And the other one is a mini pom.
Anong name
Ang
nila?
pangalan-
Nakikita ko yon sa Instagram niya.
Ang pangalan, Chico.
Chico.
Alam mo ang joke doon?
Kasi yun yung amoy mo pag lasing
Hindi,
ka.
either cheese ko yun, o cheese and the last syllable of one of our exes. Niloloko ko siya. Hoy, saan mo kinuha yan, ano? Sabi niya, hindi ah.
Alam mo, ano yan? Remnant of selos yan, yung naisip mo. Hindi ko naisip yung ko, pare.
Okay lang yan,
Ikaw
cute lang
naisip mo.
Cute yan pag may konting selos sa relasyon.
You're alert. Hindi, well, depende kung paano
Basta
ka
konti lang.
mag-express ng-
Huwag mo nang dagdagan pa rin, ha?
Nagsiselos ba siya sa'yo minsan? Like, nagsiselos ba siya sa, ano?
Ang kapal naman ang mukha ko pag nagselos mo siya sa akin.
Binahay ka na nga, eh. Diba? I can't believe that. Unang-una, God, this is a day of firsts, I swear. Unang-una, niligawan mo na out of your league. Mas mayaman pa sa'yo. Grabe.
Hoy, wag kang ganyan.
At ayaw mo
It's
pa
not
ng
about
dog.
that. It's not about that.
Ulo. No, you know, if Heart's listening, it's not personal. We're just
It's about
teasing.
getting along, you know?
It's like a long conversation.
Yeah,
Ulul!
it's a conversation.
Grabe.
Before, during, and after
Tangina, ang
lunch.
swerte mo, wala
Before,
dito
during,
si
and
Lord.
after lunch.
Ang mga swerte mo, wala dito si Lord at saka si Erwin. Kasi talagang iba yung
Pwede
trend
naman
ng
mag-phone in si Lord.
conversation.
Pwede naman
Message nyo nga si Lord, ba may tanong siya kay
Pwede naman
G.
mag-phone in din si Erwin.
Okay, meron akong, well, we were talking, before we went on air, we were talking about Isa and Lisa, who recently got married in California. How long was, parang ang bilis ng annulment mo? Is it because you're a senator?
No, it took 2 years.
Oh, mabilis yun, oh.
Hindi naman. Pag tinutukan mo naman,
Ng barel?
hindi naman. Meaning, if you really work on it,
Ay, tinutukan ng
if
barel.
you really work on it, and
Yeah.
it was not opposed,
Yeah.
most annulments that take time, ino-oppose
Oh,
kasi.
I have a question. Shucks,
Yeah.
baka this is private. Have they met?
No.
And you don't want them to meet?
I don't know.
No, doesn't matter. Okay, that's fine. I was just curious. That was a private question actually, but I said it's a mic. Naloko lang. Okay, let's do a hypothetical. If you become president of the Philippines, what's the first thing you'll do? You know what? I asked you this question. And you know what you said? Pag naging presidente ako ng Pilipinas, ang unang act ko, ipepreso kita. Naalala mo yan?
I think we were drinking beer at that time.
Sabi pa naman niya, ipepreso kita. Tapos magkaka-gathering ka, tapos ipapardon kita.
When Noynoy became already won as president, we were talking and we were talking about it.
Okay.
I remember telling him, ano yung mga unang bagay na gagawin mo? Mahirap ko saying, what's the very first thing?
Oo nga, yes.
Because the very first thing you'll do siguro is, you'll see the awesomeness of it all na parang, shit, dito na ako titira. Ay, sorry.
Dito na
ako titira. Parang, when he asked me that question, the response I gave him was, unahin mo yung frontline services.
Okay, meaning?
So people can actually feel the change. So, yung lisensya, yung cedula, yung passport,
and applicable to you,
yung
Senomar,
NBI clearance, yung pila sa MRT. I mean, frontline services.
Yeah.
Palpable
change.
Let them feel it. And then work on the bigger things.
And then you do the abstraction of the 7% GDP. Yeah. Because that's so abstract eh. But you know, you feel it.
Yes, but at least, tanong mo yan, parang ramdam agad nila na, uy,
yes or no? Will you run with Miriam Defensor if she runs? By that I mean either position, president or president.
I don't know, unfair because she's not definite on running. She hasn't offered me. Unfair naman if I
Who would
say
you
yes
like
or no.
to run with, if ever?
Me?
Mm-hmm. You don't have to answer that.
Anyone, actually.
Would you? Okay, never mind.
It depends. Anyone.
I'd run with Grace.
We're friends. We're good friends, actually.
Yes, you are. In fact, you helped her tremendously during her senatorial campaign. I remember. She said she owes you a lot. When I first congratulated her, she did say, please, credit cheese for that.
And I always tell Grace. And you know, I heard that from Binay at some point in time. From Vice President Binay.
Really?
Then she goes, yeah.
Hala, baka di siya pumayag na kinento mo yun. Are we live talaga? Like, people can see us right now? Shit, sorry. Usually kasi nire-record namin tapos may time kami mag-edit eh.
Okay.
Okay lang ba? Well, live tayo ngayon. That's funny. Hindi ako makakaubo with phlegm. Kadire. Loko lang, may sipon kasi ako. This is why we canceled last week kasi I was really, really feeling bad. I had the flu.
That was good for me too, actually.
I know, you have to go somewhere. Okay. I may question ba kayo? Meron ka bang gusto? Uy! Nag-check ka ng phone. Nag-interview pa tayo.
Yes!
Nag-tweet ka ba?
Baka may nagtatanong sa akin.
Sige, tignan mo. Sige, tignan muna tayo. Let's take a break. Ooh, we can take a break, right?
We can?
Kasi I have to smoke. Is that okay? I can't think anymore. Yeah? Okay. Anong gagawin ko? Ito? Ooh, galing, no?
Can you adjust the frequency and volume a bit?
Startups, originators, música, cultura, the arts, politika, sports, news, technology, crime, tragedy, comedy, lahat ng makabuluhan.
We are your independent podcast content creator, straight from the Philippine Islands. Mabuhay.
You're listening to podcast.ph.
Frequency and volume a bit?
Startups, originators, música, cultura, the arts, politika, sports, news, technology, crime, tragedy, comedy, lahat ng makabuluhan.
We are your independent podcast content creator, straight from the Philippine Islands. Mabuhay.
You're listening to podcast.ph. Podcast.ph presents Rockhead Radio with Gang Erwin and Lord.
Not here. Gang Erwin and Lord are not here. It's just me and Senator Cheese Escudero still with us in the studio. This is Rockhead Radio on podcast.ph. Alam mo, sobra kang in love. Nakakatawa.
Huh?
Nakakatawa.
Is that another way of saying distracted?
Hindi, lagi ka namang distracted eh.
Ganun, di ba?
Oh, hindi. Sige. But we'll do this thing
There
again.
was a time, that I was
focused. Wait, I have a question. There are only two theories. When you marry Heart in Feb,
uh-huh.
dalawa lang yon. Either you'll step on the gas politically because it's your career and etc. And you now have kakamping, may bahay.
Because I haven't been stepping on the gas for quite some time.
Or you will slow down, settle, retire.
There's a third one.
What's the third one?
Continue to do what I've been doing, which is...
But you can't be as is. You just got married.
No, yeah, but still do work too. So right after the wedding, we can't go on our proverbial
honeymoon?
Ride into the sunset and go to our honeymoon because she has work and I have work too. May session pa
Hindi
yun.
naman the next day, no? Hindi naman. May mga 2 days off naman kayo or something.
Matatapos yung session mga March pa eh. Late March.
Oh, and then you travel.
So...
But you guys have traveled
yes,
anyway.
we have. So that's one. So, more of the same, meaning simply doing my job.
Sorry, I did something.
May session pa yun.
Oh no, I know that's me. Can you hear that?
About a month.
Sorry, I just had to... Oh.
Are we good?
Sorry, we're so amateur.
So, simply doing my job, keeping my nose clean, and living life.
I need to ask the staff lang first if did I off the recording? Because I think I did. Sorry.
No,
it's
you're
still
good.
recording? Okay, good. Sorry. After a month. Sorry, wala
And
kaming...
continue to live life. Meaning work, keep your nose clean, and live life. Why can't I continue doing that?
No, you
fun.
can.
It's
You
nice.
can. There's just a theory, especially those who read your
Step on the
wedding.
gas,
Those who read
As political?
your wedding as political, they will see that.
Well, number one, why is our wedding private if it's political?
Well, it can't be all private for sure. I'm sure may press. I mean, we even knew about
No,
that,
in fact, there
that
won't be any.
alleged
There won't be
gulo
any.
with Balis in before ganyan. It's so public. You can't
In fact,
say
there
it's
won't
not
be... No, it's not public in the sense that
in the sense that
hindi
what?
siya sa malaking simbahan, hindi kami magpaparada sa Maynila, hindi kami magko-convoy, magmo-motorcade, walang ganun.
Bakit? Ay nyo?
No, none. In fact, at our wedding, entourage lang ang nandun. We will be having a reception in Manila. That's
Yeah.
for all of our friends, but
That's like Bianca, who's having a reception tonight. Bianca Gonzalez in Araneta.
yes, but
her wedding was private.
yes, parang ganun. Because the wedding is different. I mean, okay
Yeah.
lang. Gusto ko kami lang yan. And if you're not part of the entourage, then
You're not in
we'll see
the
you.
island.
No, we'll see you. We'll see you in Manila.
Oh, wow.
Mahal kasi din dun.
Oo. Siyempre, di mo mali
Mahal din dun eh.
Hey,
So,
somebody said nawala. Sorry, nawala ba tayo on air? No, are we? Teka, let me check. Okay, that's
we're
it.
good.
Okay.
They can see
Sorry,
it. How can I see that?
Oo nga, gusto ko rin makita eh.
Website?
Gusto ko rin makita, pasensya na.
Just go to Ustream.
Just
Thank
go
you.
to Ustream, lalagay niya.
Go.
You wanna see it? Oo nga eh. Ano bang... Teka. Is there something that you're working on right now that you want more people to know?
The budget. We just finished it.
Okay, that's a way of me saying, I have no question. I have no
No, the
so
budget, we
blank.
just finished it and we're working on the supplemental budget too for the Yolanda and Typhoon victims.
Do
So-
you have enemies? You know how yung old school na political enemies? Kasi dati, I think
Of course I do. In the province.
No, real enemies, yung talagang they wish you ill, ganon.
Of course, in the province. Mas personal ang local kaysa sa national. Sa national, they think they can beat you. They don't have to kill you. Sa local, they feel like they have to hurt you and harm you and kill you.
Physically kasi yung
That's why in the
proximity
history of the
it.
country, wala pang pinatay na senador. Mas
Pero
maraming pinatay na
merong
congressman, mayor at
konsehal.
gobernador,
Oo nga.
konsehal at barangay captain.
Oo nga.
Because given the large constituency sa national election, parang ang dami mong pwedeng pagkunan ng boto na talunin siya. Pero sa local, pag sa'yo na to,
Sila lang eh.
wala na eh.
But
So, ang chance mo lang, mabura siya sa mundo.
But does it, when you hear things like the Senate is useless, let's just abolish it, what do you usually, how do you usually react to that?
I used to say that when people were proposing to abolish the SK. Kasi ang dami daw kapalpakan. Ang sagot ko, mas maraming kapalpakan yung Kongreso, but wala nagkasabing i-abolish. So before we abolish that, they have a bigger propensity for change, the young people, than the older ones.
Wait, you did not want to abolish, and
No.
people did. Why? I think there should be changes. I think there should be a bit of
No, there should be
changes.
changes, and I authored one of the bills to change it, to make corrections, to fill in the gaps.
Yeah.
But not to abolish it. Ano, porkit bata, porkit bago, abolish agad. Tayo, sa Kongreso, mas maraming ginawang kalokohan. Hindi nyo ba naisip na i-abolish tayo? That's...
Hey, I have a question. Your mom is in Congress.
Yes.
Tama? Is anyone else in your family it's just you and your mom? In an elected position?
My father's younger brother is a vice governor in the province.
Okay.
His son is a board member.
Okay.
A half-brother of my father is a vice mayor of our hometown.
Okay, when people generally say negative things about dynasties, do you get, do you feel a little pinch on your chest and say, dynasty?
No.
Do you define yourself as a dynasty? But I guess you are because
yes, I guess because there's more than one of us in government.
That's right.
Yes, but some of our relatives lost previously.
Okay.
My dad ran for the Senate and lost before.
Really?
Yes, in 2004 with FPJ.
Yung may Escudero headquarters sa EDSA?
Yes, EDSA.
Sa EDSA.
With FPJ. So,
Andun pa rin yun. Wala na ba?
tinanggal yung isang letra yata. My uncle ran for governor before and lost. I didn't even support him when he ran.
Why not? Wala lang. You just
Disagreements.
Okay. Well, that's fair.
An uncle ran for
families,
mayor and I didn't support him too and he lost. So, I mean, I don't know if you will call that still a dynasty if you're not supporting them.
Okay.
As in,
Well,
really
that's
not supporting them and them losing. So, not necessarily
because the
because
assumption of a dynasty is that there is
Help each other
behind
out.
the scenes helping each other out, making things easier for each other.
Well, yes and no, but we don't believe in that.
That's so weird. You know why? Sorry, psychological question to. In the Philippines, we really value the family. We admire families who actually really get along and like each other. And yet we
Frown upon dynasties?
frown upon
Kasi
dynasties.
ang tingin ng tao, sindikato dynasty.
Sindikato.
Parang it's a blood-related syndicate.
Mafia, ganyan.
Mafia na. Hindi eh. But to my mind, the United States, one of the more advanced democracies.
So do you defend dynasties in a sense? I mean, when dynasties are good, they're good. When they're bad, they're bad.
No, I don't defend them. I'd rather put more faith and trust in the Filipino voter that they can vote out dynasties anytime they want to. They can put in place dynasties if they want to.
Yeah.
If dynasties are bad for their province, then let them
not
vote them
the
out of
next
office.
time.
I'll give you an example. The D's of Isabela.
Okay, yeah.
They were nearly wiped out.
Bernard is a mayor.
No, they were nearly wiped out when Grace Padaka won.
Yes.
But somehow people saw something good in it, and they were able to come back.
Yeah.
The Hosons of Nueva Ecija are practically gone. The Asistios of Caloocan are practically gone. The Halosos of Zamboanga del Norte, again, practically
no one in
wiped out,
position.
except for one
Okay.
congressman. Except for one.
Garcia in Cebu.
The Garcias of Cebu. So, people get to decide whether they like it or not. Sometimes they give it a try.
You know what? Kasi I worked with well, I guess they're a dynasty if I can comfortably say that. Brother is a governor, brother is a mayor, sister is a the Abbott,
Garcia.
Gila, Joet,
Garcia of Batan.
Of Batan. But when we worked together on a youth project, things moved so smoothly because we could ask the governor and the other town, and I mean, when it's used, I suppose, for a more focused, it's so single-minded, you know.
True.
It wasn't hard to cross
But look at
permission
it, look at
in
it
the
from
other.
another perspective. In the States, one of the more advanced democracies in the world, they don't have an anti-dynasty law.
Yeah, because there's an assumption
No,
that
but they trust their voters enough that if they commit a mistake, then let them suffer
Then
for it,
they'll not
and they'll learn the lesson,
Yeah.
and they won't do it again.
yeah. But
It's
but
the younger democracies who try to come up with rules.
because we don't trust the voting.
You don't trust the voter yet, but when will you?
When the education system probably kicks
No, but
in and
not
critical
really.
thinking is more rampant.
That's unfair. That's unfair.
But
when you
it's
say,
real.
But it's unfair if you say
Because
the
you
voter.
have voters that vote for people who pay them.
give you an example.
Meron yan. That's real, di ba?
Yeah, but I'll give you an example. You vote for someone because you know him.
Yes.
You like him. Some
Maybe.
people vote for him because he looks good. He looks like a nice guy. You're not talking vision. You're not talking track record.
Yeah.
Now, how far of a comparison can you use that as against someone getting money in exchange for his vote? Binoto ko ngayon dahil mabango, dahil kinamayan ako, nginitian ako, kinawayan ako eh. Dahil artista, maganda eh.
Yan, yung
No,
attitude
that's
na yan.
that's as bad as receiving money.
Exactly, I get it. But then what you're describing is obviously a non-critical thinking voter, right? Then that's an education thing. It's
I
an
agree with you,
attitude thing.
but then again, rich people who live in Forbes
Oh,
vote, not only vote, support a candidate
they know.
because they simply, dahil kapitbahay ko, amiga ko, I mean, it's just as bad, not because of their platform too. And that person is educated, ah.
Yes, I get it.
Now, I'll give an example. Sino hindi mo boboto kahit anong mangyari pag tumakbo? Example.
Mga nagpa-plagiarize.
No, on the
Kasi
record.
ayun, merit-based yun.
No, example, I mean,
Nagpa-plagiarize. Mga people
no,
who
give me one person
Soto.
that you won't vote for. For example, you won't vote for him.
And but there's a reason, because plagiarism is such a reflection of many things that's,
No.
internal.
I won't
voted.
argue the merit or demerits of it,
Oh.
but if you won't vote for him, how can you, for example, say that someone who does
Okay. Is wrong.
is wrong?
No, it's a choice thing. I'm not saying it's wrong. I'm just saying.
the mere fact that
But we can't deny the reality that we do have a large amount of voters who are not critical thinkers just yet because of the education.
yes and no, but when you say critical thinker,
Critical thinker, I mean based on merit, based on track record.
yeah, but
based
as I
on-
said, even the educated ones don't vote based on that.
Yes.
I mean,
These
most of the
are-
consultants of politicians support their politician candidates because they're paid well. I mean,
I can sleep with everybody. I mean, I can
Right.
sleep with my vote. Whoever I voted for, I can sleep peacefully because I
I
thought
agree
about
with you.
it. Yeah,
I agree with you. But from the point of view of the ordinary voter, because as a candidate,
So, isasalalay lang natin yung pag-choose natin ng leaders natin on these choices, and we're okay with
as a
that?
candidate-
Shouldn't we remedy it?
as a candidate
Sir?
before, no, as a
Oh, yes,
candidate
sir.
before, the last thing I will assume is that the voter is stupid. The voter knows exactly what he wants, and the voter knows exactly what he's looking for.
Despite the standards they set, despite the reason they vote, right?
Because it's not for me to impose my standards on them. For example, I'm an educated voter. I think this guy has a good track record.
Oh.
What, will I impose my will on the majority who disagree with me or who think otherwise? Fine, I should convince them.
Okay.
But if I cannot convince them, again, yung proposals na ang dapat lang bumoto, nagbabayad ng buwis,
No,
yung dapat
that's
lang
stupid.
bumoto,
That's
yung mga...
stupid. Yeah, I get it. Which is, okay, my whole point is, shouldn't there be a
What?
set of mechanisms that will assure
Hmm.
that most of the voters will have merit-based decisions, track record decisions,
How?
based on track record. How?
Give me an example how. Without
I have
impinging on the right to vote.
On their right to choose, yeah, sure.
No,
I have
without impinging on the right to vote and saying only those who finished tertiary
no,
education.
no limits like that. No lines like that. For example, I always tell my students, think of, because we're such emotional political watchers. We are. Think of a politician you don't like. So they give me a name. Why do you not like him? Then they say, but most of them is because their parents didn't like them and they heard it in the home, and we
See.
are anti-Marcos and we are pro-Marcos and we are anti-Gloria, we are pro-Gloria, and you inherit that, right? So what I want is for Filipinos to stop inheriting their political leanings and choose how. If I give you a politician I naturally, by naturally meaning na inherit ko, I naturally dislike, because from the time I was a kid, this last name is bad. Nah? But then if I look at the track record and I find a law that's something to do with education or etc.
That he passed or that he...
that actually matters to me,
then you're going to vote for him based on
it
that.
should be exercise enough na not my emotions but the track record of this guy. I'll give you an example. By default, I will not support JV Ejercito. By default, I don't know, because it's a habit. I don't know. I don't even
You're
have a
used to
real
it.
reason. I don't even have a real reason why. But when I look at his track record, I realize, he does stuff that matter. So now I consider, meaning I kind of grew up politically. By
Agreed.
default, I'll say maybe Alan is not someone I'll campaign for or vote for, but recently the Scholar ng Bayan bill matters to me, and I look twice at him. So what am I saying? I'm saying is we should exercise every now and then our political analysis, our political views, and stop being emotional and really based on merit.
I completely agree with you.
Yes, but this comes with years of watching, someone pointing out to me that it must be merit-based, someone in school saying you can't vote with feelings. We shouldn't, really.
I agree with you, but just like learning
But we're
to walk,
emotional
but just
voters,
like learning
no?
to walk or to run or ride a bike, you have to fall, eh?
Yeah.
You have to actually make a
Have you
mistake.
voted for anyone that you regret voting? That
Of course I
first
did.
time? Do you vote for yourself? Like when you vote, do you put yourself as number one? When you go to the precinct and say number one, Francis Escudero,
You know what?
and that's
Sometimes
me,
I do, sometimes I don't.
Why? What do you mean you
I
never
guess
voted for your...
superstition. I'll give you an example.
Was there an election where you
I'll give you an
did not
example.
put your name? I don't believe
Wala
you.
pa akong binotong presidente
Nananalo.
na nanalo.
Di mo binoto si Noynoy?
Except nga for
Noynoy.
Pinoy. Before that, that's why in 2004, when I was voting, parang baka ma-jinx ba?
Sige, okay.
Boboto ko ba si FPJ? Because I was campaigning for FPJ.
Kasi may belief ka.
It's one vote. If he loses by one vote, I mean, I'll kill myself. But I ended up voting for him and he ended up
not winning.
not being proclaimed.
Not
or
being
some
proclaimed.
people
Not
say not
necessarily
winning. But,
not winning, but...
di ba parang, and now you think, parang may ano yata talaga. But with Noynoy, it was broken.
But you're not the first. Talk to anybody. They will say, wala pa akong presidenteng
But
binoto.
with Noynoy, it was
Nanalo.
broken. In our fraternity, when you run for a position, viva voce, you give a courtesy vote to your opponent.
No shit.
So,
That's great.
if I'm
I
running
like that.
against B, I'm A, I'll shout
You have
B,
to vote
and
B.
he'll shout A, and then we both step out of the room.
And then everybody.
And each and everyone's name will be called. Walang secret ballot dito, meaning you stand by your vote.
Oh my
Viva voce.
God, we should do
You
that.
shout your name. You shout the name of your
Do you
candidate.
think I ever voted for you?
Ang galing. I wouldn't know. I wouldn't want to ask, quite frankly.
Woo! Let's see. I don't
Actually,
know.
the mere
I don't
fact that you asked
remember.
your question, probably not. Because otherwise, you wouldn't have asked the question. I'm using
I don't know. I
psychology.
don't remember if I've
But I'm
ever
using
voted.
psychology,
I
though.
don't remember if I've ever voted for you. I'm sure I'm sure I'll
I'm sure you
remember
thought
us.
about it and came close to it. But then again, you're not
Yeah.
sure and you don't
Wait,
remember.
did you? Yeah, you ran recently, right? 2010. 13. Oh, yeah, that was your second. Okay.
13.
Maybe I did. I don't know.
Probably yes, but you didn't.
You know
don't remember
why?
it?
You bought my vote.
How?
You sent me corned beef.
Ah, yeah, right.
Ang cheap ng vote ko, grabe. No, I'm not sure if I voted. Maybe I did. I'm sure I did. I mean, I don't know. I don't know. But you know what? Let's talk about Heart. Is Heart okay that people can just go to you, they call you at 2 a.m. for help? I mean, is she used to this by now?
Actually, people don't.
Well, I do when I have a problem.
Well, but no, there are very few. Very few who do.
Okay.
The last time you did that, it was a serious matter when your friend got...
I know, murder.
Killed.
Near
Yeah.
you. Yeah. Well, not near you, but you were the one that could
near
help you
the
with it.
president's house, actually. I
Exactly,
remember
because
that,
he
a long
wasn't
times.
picking up his phone.
Yeah, but anyway.
But you did. Yeah, just to let you know. Yeah.
Hindi
And I'm
ganun.
very grateful for that, by the way. When our
Hindi
friends
ganun.
were murdered in Time Street, it was Cheese
Because
who helped.
in Manila, it's... In the province, when I was running for congressman,
Yeah.
yun talaga.
Yun, they're really
Yun
in your
talaga.
home.
Day-to-day,
in your
araw-araw
job.
sa bahay, pagising mo pa lang,
Yeah.
pagtulog mo. But in Manila,
Kasalbinyag-libing
hindi
talaga
naman.
yan,
Iba yun. Iba naman. So I get to live a
Senator.
normal life here.
Normal. It's probably not normal.
No, it is normal. As I said, my definition of normal will be going out of the house wearing shorts and slippers and even going to the mall. and
Meron
casual
kang
moves are wearing
picture,
shorts and slippers.
naka-shorts ka, tapos parang kumalat and they said, ano ba tong senador na to, naka-shorts?
Ah, that was when I was voting.
Oo nga, ba't ka
Sorry,
naka-shorts?
naka-shorts at chinelas ako pero nakataya ko nun.
Oo, nakita ko na. Yung
Kasi yung shirt
naka-print.
ko.
Bakit ka naka-shorts? Parang walang galang naman sa electoral system yon or
Bakit
mainit.
naman?
Mainit when you
Na bakit?
voted.
Bawal ba? May nakalagay ba sa
Hindi,
batas
wala
na dapat
naman.
nakasapatos
Wala
ka?